that brand new car. Cop, we surveyed yo mama. Name the American. Michael. Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey. And Toby. Name the American.
Nothing.
Please, no, I'm shooting Steve Harvey. Well, tell me something. Name the American.
Lobsus.
Well, name the American.
Mice.
Well, ask. Name something. Name someone a man would be shocked to see pop out of Steve Harvey.
Nothing.
Hell. Now his daddy.
T.
What item left on the bus would you go back for? Laura? Laura? Laura?
Mice.
Hell. Now Steve Harvey. On a scale of 1 to 10, how well do you think Steve Harvey protects you?
20,000.
Name something cops do comes in a bottle. Name a woman's sport that men like to watch.
Chocolate rain.
Name a woman in your refrigerator that comes in a bottle. Steve Harvey. Name something at the circus that a 3-year-old might be scared of. A woman. All right. Survey said 3-year-old men like to watch you come in a bottle. Robin and Alice.
Yes.
You okay?
I'm a T. Little transmitter.
You cannot come in a bottle. You do, you're gonna hear this sound. I'm gonna say try again.